Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Danae and today I have a very messy clean with me. I know I get a lot of comments that there is no mess that I'm cleaning, and honestly, when there's a mess like this, I'm almost never able to tackle it in one day, having 3 kids and also pregnant, so usually it'll take about a 2-day process. So that's what I ended up having to do in this video toward the end. I'd also like to mention that I am collabing with Jillian Starling on this video. She just posted a morning cleaning video of her own, so I'll leave the link down below of her channel in my description box so you can check her out. I remember when I first started my channel, she was one of the girls I started following early on, and she's doing such an amazing job. She has mommy vlogs, cleaning videos, DIYs, she really has it all. So make sure you check out her channel, and let's go ahead and get into the video.
All I need is you, now and always. We don't need no one else than each other. You and me, you and me. We could run away. You and me together, baby, we don't gotta stay. Let's lose our minds.
So whenever I'm cleaning my room, I swear you guys will almost always see me start with making my bed first. For some reason, whenever you start with making your bed, your room just looks like 50% cleaner. I try to make my bed first thing when I wake up, but there's always somebody sleeping in it, and I go downstairs and start on breakfast, so I don't always get a chance to make my bed first, but I would prefer waking up and just making it right away.
Say what you feel. I don't even know if this is real. How can you like me? You're as close to perfect as anyone can be. You and me. We don't need no one else than each other. You and me. And me. We could run away. You and me together, baby, we don't gotta stay. We don't have to stay. Let's lose our minds. We could go crazy and leave it all behind. Oh, you know it could be glorious, glorious. Cause if I'm the ocean, you're the rain. We only need each other, baby, you know we're the same. It could be glorious, glorious. Glorious, glorious. It could be glorious, glorious. Glorious, glorious. when we count down. Tell me when to stop. Tell me when to stop, babe. Just keep on dancing like we're night bound. Lovers on the clock. I'll be ready when we go down. We spend the night on bubble bliss, forever lasting. I know you never would admit it, but I can see through you. Where do you go when your glass ends up empty? Oh, I wanna know, won't you let me know? Where do you hide when you leave me wasted? Oh, I wanna know. We're only lovers when we count down. Tell me when to stop. Tell me when to stop, babe. Just keep on dancing like we're night bound. Lovers on the clock. I'll be ready when we go down. Who knows what you think about me? And I know I shouldn't care. I really tried my best, but
Alright you guys, completely unfiltered right here. So this was late in the evening after picking up downstairs, starting dinner, cleaning that mess, and the kids showered and in bed. So throughout the day I had been adding loads of clean clothes to pile up and put them all right outside my door because I'm going to be dumping them right into my bed so that I can fold this mountain of laundry.
baby, I really tried the best I could.
Now, you will see me just start throwing clothes, and there are many reasons why I normally throw clothes like this. I'm usually making a pile of some sorts, and in this case, I was making a pile to donate. Usually when the kids outgrow clothes or really just have an obsessive amount of shirts or pants that they really don't need, I'll start setting things aside to donate after washing them.
I've played my part for nothing, and I did it all for you. Yeah, we've been through this, I'm not the one you need right now, and I can't stop time for you. I don't know why we couldn't work this out, because you know I tried the best I could.
And this mama right here called it a night after finishing that load. I was so exhausted. And this next clip is of the next night I finished up the rest of that mountain of laundry.
I don't wanna be with somebody who's never gonna be around for me. I'm running out of energy, I realize you'll never be the one for me. I can't stop time for you. Won't you get out my way, I don't need this right now. I don't need this right now. Won't you get out my way, I don't need this right now.
Alright you guys, that is going to be the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. I know being a stay-at-home mom and working mom while trying to maintain a clean home can be some hard work. So I hope you guys are able to get some cleaning motivation out of this video. And know that we all have messes and doing the best we can. You are doing the best you can, so just hang in there. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. And make sure to head over to Jillian's channel to check out her video for some more cleaning motivation.
Won't you get out my way, get out my way. I don't need this right now. I don't need this right now.